Hi, welcome to Sherman Medical. Today in this video, we're going to be doing an in-depth demonstration on the all-new Golden Ally power chair. Diving into some of the specifications on the Golden Ally, the unit itself, when folded, is going to weigh about 56 pounds, and we'll show you how to fold it a little later in this video. It has a top speed of about 5 miles per hour, a battery life on a full charge of about 9 miles. The battery on this is lithium and it is removable, and it weighs about 5 pounds when you do remove it. Our rear tires here are going to be pneumatic wheels, so these are air filled. You'd have to fill them up every now and then, but it makes the ride a lot softer and the unit weigh a lot less. Back here we have these two teal levers. This is what's going to unlock the chair, put it into neutral. And what I like about it, you don't really get a lot of drag with this unit, so it's very easy to roll with someone in it. So over here in the front of the unit, it comes standard with a very soft foam cushion. It has a mesh backrest, these leather accent arms, our joystick controller on that side, and on this side we have a USB charging port and a USB-C port. Both of these arms do flip back. There's no lever or anything, you just simply lift and they do flip back on either side. Diving into the front of the unit here, we do have these large 8-inch wheels with a double fork. This fork also is solid, so you don't ever really need to worry about this bending, and it allows for the unit to maintain its stability. The foot plate here does flip back. It does not fold flush, which is one of the things. So if you're going to sit in the unit, just keep in mind that foot plate does stick out a little bit. So you'd have to lean a little forward if you're going to stand and get out of the unit. The Golden Ally itself comes in 3 different colors. This one here is the teal color, and we also do have a white and a black color available. Going over how to fold the unit, there's going to be a release lever on either side of the seat. It's very small. You're going to hold that, push the backrest up from here. It's going to fold into itself and collapse down. Once fully collapsed down, it does lock in place. Once locked in place, you're able to grab one hand from the foot plate here or the headrest here, and another hand from the lever back here. So you're able to lift up. Once again, like this, it does weigh about 56 pounds. To unfold the unit, there's a release lever in the back here, this big bar. You're going to push that down, pull from the white here up, and just keep pulling until it opens right up. Diving into some of the storage, a lot of folding power chairs usually don't offer much storage. What I like about the Ally from Golden is we do have this big large basket underneath, which we're able to store stuff in, and they also go a step further and give us a very nice backpack that's zippered in the back with a bunch of different storage compartments for various things. So we have 2 separate places we could store things. So going over the battery of the Golden Ally, the battery sits here in the back under the seat. In order to take off your battery, there's 2 releases. So we're going to twist these and you'll hear a click, push and you'll hear another click, one on each side, and then we just pull the battery straight out. The battery itself is chargeable from the port here. You could also charge the unit on board. The charging port is right here underneath the joystick. Putting the battery back, you want to just make sure you're lined up. The side that's curved in is the bottom. We're going to line that up. It's going to slide all the way in. Pull these clips. You'll hear a click on each side, and then twist the latch until you hear a click. And that means it's locked and in place, so now it won't go anywhere. So going over the operation of the Golden Ally, you do get about 6 different buttons here that all do different things. The main button is going to be the one that's in the top middle, so this is going to be our power button. We're going to press and hold that. The unit's going to sing a little song giving us an indicator that it is powered on. And here we're going to see our charging, so we're at about 83% right now. Our various speed settings are down here, so 1 through 5, and the lock and unlock. So once the unit is powered on like this, we're going to press the power button one more time. It's going to tell us that it's unlocked, and now we're able to operate the unit. On the left side here, we have our different speed settings. So we're able to raise it all the way up to 5. Stop anywhere in between. It does have a horn. Then it also has a SOS button, which will make it start panic beeping, just to call people for help if that ever happens. So now that we're powered on, we can operate the unit. I'll set it at a higher setting. What I also like about it is that the way they send this joystick knob, it's fairly flush. So you're not gripping it like this, you're gripping it with your palm down. So it's a lot more easier to manage and control. Like any power chair, it's able to turn in place. It drives very smooth for being a folding chair. One of the last things we're going to go over on the Golden Ally is going to be how to pair it to the app. So the app in the App Store is going to be called Robooter, so it's ROBOOTER. It's free to download in the App Store. Once you do have that app downloaded, it's super easy to pair. We're going to turn our Robooter device on by holding the power button, wait for it to fully power on. Once it's fully powered on, we're going to hit click to search. It's going to begin searching for the device. Once it's found, you hit try it now. It's going to tell you it's all good. So right now our device is locked on the console itself, so we're unable to drive. But from here, we're able to hit the remote control button and actually control the Robooter device as long as it's powered on. So the Golden Ally can be fully controlled with the app. This way, if you're someone who wants to walk next to the user and drive it for them, you're fully able to do that. If you want to give some distance, you're able to give some distance, walk behind them as well. And you have full control over the unit from the app, so you're able to shut the unit off as well if you did want to shut it off. Thank you guys for tuning into this in-depth demonstration on the Golden Ally folding power chair. This is a unit that we do keep here on display at our showroom located at 14120 Magnolia Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks, California. Our zip code is 91423. For any questions regarding this unit, please feel free to give us a call at 818-981-9906 or visit our website at www.shermanoaksmedical.com. Aside from the Golden Ally, we do also offer a lot of other models that are very similar, lighter, faster, and we encourage customers to come down here to our large showroom and try out the various items that we have. Thank you guys for tuning into this video.